Hi y'all, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. Today I'm going to do a pour and I want to do a 3 tree ring split. Going to come up with some cool color combinations, cool color background, and I'm going to pour 3 rings and let's see what happens. So let me get set up and we'll get right to it. I have a 20 by 20 canvas here. I wanted a 12 by 20, but I didn't have one. So I've got this 20 by 20. I'm going to be using, well, this background is called Parchment. It's Liquitex Basics, and it is called Parchment. Didn't want just a stark white, and I'm going to be using dark colors for the ring, so I wanted something light, but I'm going to use yellow ochre, cobalt blue, metallic rose gold, which is one of my favorites, and then it's called chocolate bar. So I've already mixed, three cups exactly alike. So let's see if we can start with our little rings here. I'm seeing a little of that rose gold come through there. Which I love. Rose gold's one of my favorites. Okay, and this third cup, if I'd done the 12 by 20, I would have put them all blop, blop, blop. But since I didn't have that, we're going to go with this. I see a lot of bubbles. I hope I have some juice left in my... Oh. Alright, we've got to add into this. Oh, I hate filling these things up. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to get it where you guys can, make sure you guys can see it. Clearly. Ah. It's really, more of that cobalt blue is really popping out now. And this is one of my favorite colors. I love the cobalt blue. Ah. Okay. Now, don't pull your do what I just did a while ago. It ran on off, so we're all good there. But I had let my glove drip on it. That's never a good thing. So note to yourself, don't do that. Oh, I like that. I like having the little bit of that light in there. Oh, and that little intricate line. Let me get rid of these before I drip something else. Oh, okay. So I love having this little intricate line right through there. Kind of lost the one over here, but that's okay because this one is pretty cool. It looks like a river and it's just running through there, and I love that. And I love it. We do have some sail action going on. I like that. I do see, well, I'm gonna pick those out in a minute. Little somethings there, somethings. But anyway, man, I like this. I like the colors. You know, sometimes you never know. That chocolate brown, it's almost got a little reddish brown to it, although it's called chocolate brown. But, man, I like the colors. I like the colors a lot. So, anyway, this is a fairly easy pour. Again, it'd be really cool. It looks really cool to do it like on a long canvas, but since I didn't have one, went with what I had. Layered my colors the same in each cup. All the way, all three of them. Just kept layering until I ran out of paint, basically, and then used the parchment as the background. Mixed them all with Floetrol until they all came out the same consistency, which I can tell you for sure with this paint, it was a 2-to-1 ratio. Now with your tube paints, it's going to take less paint and more of the Floetrol, which is, you know, use less paint. But anyway, I like this. I like these colors. I really love, I don't know, I'm in love with the yellow ochre and the cobalt blue. Those are just two of my favorite colors to use. But thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. Even if you don't have a question and you just want to say hi, let me know how you're doing and what you're working on. I sure would appreciate that. So pop it in the comments below. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and I'll have all the information at the end and below. So hey, be sure and check out my Amazon links and several other links I have there for you. So be sure and check those out. And I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.